Well, I went to my local post office today, and it's located inside the Sun Harvest Citrus Center, which is a souvenir place near my home that sells orange juice, freshly squeezed, orange ice cream, etc. And here we are. There's the post office, and I'm going to take you for a quickie scan of some of the stuff that they sell as gift souvenirs, things of that nature for people that are visiting from out of state or the country. And I have that dish towel right there with the seashells. And I do buy a few things in here because they're really cute. Look at that. This mug says, "Toes in the sand, coffee in my hand." There, I have that dish towel. And there's all kinds of cute things. And they're really souvenirs for people to bring home. But us folks who live here sometimes like to buy this stuff. Look at these dudes. And the mermaids, salt and pepper shaker holders. I mean, I don't have that kind of stuff, but I do have some things. That was the mermaid area, I guess. Now I have that dish towel right there. And look at these guys. Oh my. What do you think they are? Are they ashtrays? Do they sell ashtrays anymore? I don't think so. I don't know. And now we're moving off to another area it's really a big place. And there's a man who's setting up the machines. It's back behind a glass window. It's where they squeeze the orange juice. And they sell tons of it every day. And these are just the gifts that are in front of it, and I just thought we'd look at them. Here's the flamingo section. I do not have that. And look at that. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. Anyhow, cute stuff. Just thought you might get a kick out of it. Manatees are real popular here, and we're going to get a peek into this room, but they're not making any orange juice. But there's the tubes. They're usually filled with orange juice, and they go into all the plastic bottles, which you'll see in a second. But and another room is where they just pack boxes of oranges and grapefruits where you can send them up north in the winter. There's the orange juice. These are little half-gallon containers, strawberry orange juice, regular orange juice, small sizes. And take a gander at this. I want you to see this. Half a gallon, $9.99. Is that crazy? And here's the tasting area. You can get a free glass of orange juice, a tiny little cup, or grapefruit juice or lemonade, I believe. And then there's all kinds of food that has oranges in it or related to lemons or whatever, because it is the Citrus Center, Fort Myers, Florida. There it is. And here's some... one of my favorite candies is over here. It's coming up. Here it is. The coconut patties. It's dark chocolate with coconut in it. Oh, it's delicious. It's very expensive. Everything in here is. But every now and then I treat myself. So anyhow, here you go. Florida shopping bags and Florida honey. And look at this. Florida hot honey. I wonder what that is. I guess it has peppers in it. And honey lollipops, and here's our honey bell marmalade and orange marmalade. And honey bell is a type of orange, in case you didn't know. I've just learned living here. Here's wine made with all different kinds of fruits, and champagnes made with oranges, peaches, grapefruits. I think there's even here it is, key lime. I don't know what this is. Classic Hurricane 5. Oh my God, that's the worst. That's what we had, Hurricane Ian. There's key lime wine and other kinds. And that's basically it. So on the way out, they have fresh produce, and you can pick up your lemons and oranges and tomatoes locally grown.